Hello everyone, my name is Rocky. Thank you so much for joining my channel. Now listen, there's going to be maybe background noise. I have no idea what you're going to hear, but my neighbors have been cutting the grass for no less than 2 hours. I don't know what's going on and I can't wait any longer. Let's get into what I'm going to talk about today. We are doing, normally I talk about fashion. That's my thing. I talk about fashion, lifestyle right here in my city of Chicago. And I normally say just a little bit of beauty. But lately I've been talking about a lot of beauty. So I need to take the little bit out of it. Today is beauty. Let's get right into it. So I'm going to start with something that I found to be really sweet and really cool. So you've heard me on several occasions talk about my sensitivity to different types of deodorant, and I have landed on this one brand that has been tried and true and has really come to save the day for me. I can't tolerate any natural deodorants, any regular deodorants, nothing. Plus I'm also concerned about putting carcinogens and aluminum, all kinds of things just right there under my arm. So this product has come to the rescue. It is natural, it is good, it works, it smells great, and that's Madame Lemy's body deodorant powder. And what's really sweet about this, I made a video about this and I was just sort of gloating and glowing about how great this product is, and Madame Lemy reached out to me and said they would love to gift me a product, and so this is what they gave me. This is very sweet of them. This is a very their large container of body powder. This is the largest that it comes in. This is the 2.5 ounce. Very generous of them to do that. Thank you so much. And obviously this will get some use because this is all I use. The next thing I want to talk about is probably the smallest thing here, probably the most insignificant, but it is cool nonetheless. I need to open this with you. I stumbled across this on Amazon, and I can't remember what led me to find this. Maybe it was it Prime? Oh yeah, it's from Prime Day. That's what it was. You know, you're trying to look and see what I could buy, trying to get a good deal. What is it that I actually like and would actually use? I don't know, I'm a sucker for a sale. And I found this thing called a nail polish gel remover, or a gel nail polish remover. So it's supposed to be, I don't know if any of you have gotten the gel polish where you put your fingers under the UV light, blah, blah, blah. I do that maybe once or twice a year. But what my least favorite part about it is taking it off. You have to soak it with the little foil on, or soak your hands in acetone forever. I absolutely hate the removal process. Or they take the mechanical file and they buzz some of it off and it damages your nails. It's just all kinds of things. So supposedly in a matter of 5 to 7 minutes, you polish this onto your nails and you wipe it off. And as in 5 to 7 minutes, gel polish off. We'll see if that's true. It'll probably be a while before. Actually, it won't be a while. I do plan to get some gel polish because I do have some travels, like 3 weeks of travels back to back, scheduled pretty soon. So I think I'm going to get some gel nails just to kind of, have my nails look nice for those trips. And then when it needs to come off, I'm going to use this and I'll tell you all about it. I don't know if I'm 100% convinced that it works. The comments said that it do work. I mean, the reviews said that it works. So we'll have to see just how efficient it is. The next thing I want to show you is, and I should hang my head in shame, but I will not, is another fragrance. I've been fragrance crazy in the last 2 years. At least I feel like I've been fragrance crazy. And when I show you this fragrance and this brand, you're definitely going to roll your eyes, because I've said some things about this brand in the past that while I love it, it has some cons that maybe some of you would decide not to invest in it at all. But with that said, do you know what brand it is? Yep, Byredo. I picked up Byredo L'Eau Fleur. We talked about this before. I sniffed it, loved it, but the reason why I was concerned about buying a full bottle is typically I don't have the best luck with the longevity on most Byredo fragrances. There are some I think that do have decent longevity, but they're the ones that I don't really like as much. And confession, I bought like a floral travel set. It has Blanche, La Tulipe, and Rose of No Man's Land, and I've realized that I don't even like them. So It's something about it that's just too bitter smelling, too soapy smelling, and it irritates my nose. Something about the 3 fragrances is just not, and I don't think they have white florals in it, and I need to double check, but maybe that's what it is, but something about it is just, so I don't wear them. Nonetheless, that all said, I have been trying to be really careful about the fragrances I choose and make sure they don't have white or yellow florals in them. And okay, thought I could smell this for a second, like, uh-oh, is it broken? So anyway, I picked this up from Joma Shop, and I think I might have mentioned Joma Shop to you before in the past. When you want some hookups on some fragrances, they're not always like super deep discounts, but it's better than whatever they give you, whether it's 10%, 25%, whatever it is. It's better than paying full price. And in this case, I think I got 40% off this fragrance, I think, or more. So I am happy about that. So I don't feel as bad trying these fragrances with the deep discounts that I find online. So that all said, somebody had suggested that I should get like a pre-loved or a used bottle from like Mercari or eBay or something like that, and I honestly could not find anything that rivaled the price of getting a full bottle from Joma Shop. So check out Joma Shop. I don't have a discount code or affiliate link or anything else, but I'm just sharing with you the ways you can get savings. So this one is Byredo Little Fleur. This one is the 50 ml bottle. Oh gosh, it's in here pretty tight, but they usually have the same little setup. All of their fragrances have the bottle. It's very bottle setup here in the center of the packaging is always very clean packaging. Only commemorative type limited edition packaging would have different color lids or tops on them, but otherwise it's just clean black and white aesthetic, which looks great on whatever. You put it on your vanity, your table, your dresser, whatever. And then here is the card that tells you a little bit more about the fragrance. And let me see if they have the notes, and we can check and triple check to see if it has any white florals in here. Okay, this one has a story on it. It doesn't have the notes on it. Let's see if the box has the notes on it. It doesn't. Let's see. Does this have no? So no notes. But I think I'm okay. I think I'm okay. And I've made bigger mistakes before. We've talked about those before, so we're not gonna go too far into that. But let's move on to the next thing. This one is not beauty, it's more of a lifestyle thing, but I think I've told you about this before. And just in case you are a tea aficionado, I want you to know about Sips By. This is a great way. You can kind of do like a monthly subscription, which is what I have. A great way to dabble in all kinds of different teas and not having to commit to a huge container. And if you love it, then you decide to buy a full package of said thing that you love for a discounted price, because you kind of have like this membership, this subscription membership. And so mine is really cool. I mean, I tell them what teas that I like. I only trust black and white teas. So this month they gave me some really cool ones. There's a Just Dessert Mint and Chocolate. There is a Pumpkin Spice one, and then a couple others. But what they also do is give you a card that explains each of the teas that you've received that month, and just how to steep them, and what flavors and notes and everything are in them. So this is really cool. This box, I think I'm grandfathered into a certain price, but this box is $15 a month, but I think it might have gone up to like maybe $17 a month if you're going to just get it, and it's still a good price. So that includes the shipping and all of that stuff. You get four different flavors of different teas, and I think if you add it all up, it's like 30 to 40 cups of tea for the $15 or $17. The shipping is also included. It's pretty cool. Speaking of teas, I've been dropping hints all over the interwebs for people to buy me an advent calendar, and yes, I do have on clothes. It's a dress. For people to buy me an advent calendar for Christmas. I've been throwing up tea advent calendars, candy advent calendars, fragrance ones, beauty ones, all kinds of advent calendars. Like, hey, hint hint, if you wanted to get me something, I would gladly take an advent calendar. And the important thing about advent calendars is that it's weird, it feels like, for me at least, it's weird to buy your own, but then also you have to get it early enough so that you can have the fun experience of opening one little gift every day of the month until Christmas. It kind of would be sucky or disappointing to receive it as a Christmas gift, because then the whole month would have gone by. You didn't have the fun experience of opening surprise gifts every day. So lo and behold, someone, I can't say who, I can say, but I would rather not say, got me a gift from the Body Shop, and it is an advent calendar. So guess what, whether you want it or not, we are doing a Vlogmas this year. I am going to be opening these all with you every day of the month in December. Even if I'm just popping on here to open this up really quickly, you are going to see my face every day in December. I've done Vlogmas a couple times before, and it is a lot of work, but you know what? Considering that this just might be my last hurrah with YouTube, I want to go out with a bang. And we've talked about this before. Why would this be my last hurrah? Is because in January it will have been 6 years that I've been on YouTube, and I think that it's fair to say I've given it a college try. You know, some people say, oh, you quit too soon. 6 years is a long time. And like, if my YouTube career were a person, they'd be going to they'd be in the first grade. So that all said, I feel like this just might be my last hurrah up, and you know, maybe I might get inspired to do something different, but why not go out with a bang? And we're gonna go out with this bang. We're gonna do the whole big advent calendar. We're gonna open this up. I have several trips planned. We're doing Dallas, Texas. We're doing Los Angeles. We're doing London, England. And I'll be taking you along with. When I'm in London, I'm gonna have to open some of these with, so I'll pack them and take them over across the pond to open these with you. So it should be a lot of fun. We are definitely gonna go out with a bang if I need to. And you know what's going to decide if I don't return is if I can't monetize by the end of this year. I'm still nowhere near monetizing here on YouTube after 6 years and a ton of investment and a lot of time. So while I love it and it gives me joy, it is definitely a huge investment with what I just said. I just can't. There are other things I could do, I think, with my time. So that all said, I am super excited about the things I got today. I link things below just in case, you know, you're interested and you would like to get some for yourself. I am so looking forward to opening all of this with you. And of course, in that whole Vlogmas time frame, we are going to do a really nice giveaway. We always do. Thank you so much for watching. Listen, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up anyway. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with your friends. Bye.